Hey guys, we are back with another video and it's been a while and I'm so excited for today because this one's gonna be an exciting one. You guys know I love hair videos. Today is gonna be one to remember because I've been wanting this forever, and this is what today's video is gonna be all about. The Dyson Airwrap. Finally I picked one of these for myself. Obviously it's super expensive, so really needed to convince myself and give myself a reason to pick this up, but I finally did and it looks stunning. I picked up the one in blue and gold, and the packaging itself, it's so premium. It comes in this stunning case, and when you open up the box you've got everything in there, all the attachments. But I mean, this color though, so stunning. So yeah, as you can tell by the title, this is gonna be like a first impressions review or tutorial, whatever you want to call it, for the new Dyson Airwrap on probably like type 2 to type 3 hair like mine. You already know how great this works on people with straight hair or hair straighter than mine. Haven't seen a lot of people with my hair type trying this on, so thought I'd give you guys a little bit of an insight into what it would be like to try this on with my hair type. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I have tried this on like a few strands of my hair, but I haven't like actually used it on my whole head. So that's what we're gonna do together today. We're gonna try it on my whole head and see how it turns out. Before we get started, let me just take you through all the pieces that's in here. There are two of these. I'm not sure why there are two. I mean, yeah, the bristles are different, but I still can't justify there being two of these. Then there's the hot blow dry brush and the drying attachment, and of course the viral curling attachments with two sizes. And these are the long barrels, by the way, so they're meant to work on really long hair as well. So let's try it on. I think we're gonna make my hair a little bit more damp and try and brush it out to make sure there are no knots, and then I'll be right back. My hair is like 15% damp right now, and I'm gonna try and make sure there are not a lot of knots. And then I'm gonna section my hair midway, maybe up to my ears. I think I'm gonna go with the round brush. Attach this in. I'm gonna round brush small sections away from my I just want to say that the air is like not hot, so it's not burning. I don't feel uncomfortable. It's a very pleasant, warm air. When I'm curling, I'm making sure I'm curling away from my face, and when I'm taking it out, I make sure to twist it out like that. I'm gonna leave this as it is and do the same to the top sections, and then we'll see how that looks, and then maybe we can touch up with the curling attachments depending on how the look is turning out to be. Okay guys, change of plans. I feel like my top layers are a bit more straighter than my bottom layers, so I'm gonna switch directly to the curling ones and see how they react. Again, I'm gonna try curling away from my face. Okay, not bad. guys, I got lazy. I did try and do my whole head and it is in curls, so I'm gonna separate them. I also feel like I should have used rollers. I'm just gonna lightly brush it out. This is like the finished look and I'm not sure what I think of it because I really don't know what I was expecting and I don't know if I did anything right or if I did something wrong. I feel like there's definitely a bit of a learning curve and you probably need to use it in different ways for your hair type and see what suits you the most. But what do you guys think? I mean, it's not as smooth and bouncy as I see everyone's hair turning out to be, but I feel like it's still a look, you know? It's kind of like a 90s big hair serve, but I definitely feel like rollers would have done something cooler. This is what I was able to do in like 40 minutes, I want to say, around. So not too time consuming and it did not feel damaging at all. And I feel like if you have long hair, it's gonna look so bouncy and voluminous and beautiful. But yeah, that was the finished look. Let me know what you guys thought. I didn't even straighten my hair. It'll probably look a lot more different if I straighten my hair first and then try it on, but without my hair straightened, this is what it looks like and it's still like a look. It's giving something. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you know the drill. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. Everything will be in the description and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.